can I ask you then, AstraZeneca, in that report we were talking about earlier, AstraZeneca says it will work with Russia to investigate whether their two coronavirus vaccines candidates could be combined successfully. How important do you think collaboration is in the global vaccination effort?
Collaboration is critical, and this kind of collaboration, this kind of solidarity is what's going to get us all out of trouble. And it also, it's unprecedented. We have seen so much suffering, and yet we are seeing so much solidarity in the scientific community. So that kind of collaboration, transparency, sharing of data, sharing of results is exactly how we're all going to use the science in solidarity to achieve real solutions.
Now, the AstraZeneca jab, as well as China's Sinopharm and Sinovac vaccines, don't need to be stored at ultra-low temperatures. How big do you think this will be in terms of an advantage?
Well, certainly the low temperatures are a logistical challenge. Now, we have vaccines that require low temperatures, such as the Ebola vaccine that we've used in very, very difficult circumstances, so it can be done. But certainly any kind of difficulty you remove is very, very helpful, because we need to vaccinate the planet. We are going to be vaccinating people in all kinds of circumstances, and it's not the vaccines that will help stop this pandemic, it's the vaccination. You have to be able to get it into people's arms in every country or around the world at the same time.
Well, you said it there, vaccinations are going to help combat it, but a small group of rich countries have bought up more than half of the promised doses of the leading vaccine candidates. Are you not concerned that poor countries are being left behind? What is the WHO doing to combat this?
Well, we were certainly concerned about this possibility right from the start, because in previous pandemics and previous outbreaks, that has been an issue. So again, it's one of the remarkable things throughout, in all this suffering, we are seeing such greatness of humanity. And the countries got together and set up something called the ACT Accelerator, part of which is the COVAX facility. And now over 189 countries have joined, which represents 90% of the world's population, have joined together so that the rich countries in that facility are ensuring that the poor countries will also have access to the vaccines.
Now, I was going to ask, given that I'm speaking to you from UK was quick to approve the Pfizer vaccine, and now there's an investigation into 2 allergic reactions. Do you think the UK regulators jumped the gun on that? And do you think that other dangers, that other regulators in other countries will do a similar thing?
So with all vaccination programs, it is very important to screen who is being vaccinated and ensure that people who've got a past history of allergic reactions may perhaps be screened out from having the vaccine, or certainly if they do have a reaction, they don't have the next shot. So this does happen. What is very important here is that we're hearing about it right away. There's very, very close scrutiny of any adverse reactions at all, and that must continue, and that must happen with every vaccination in every part of the world again.
Margaret Harris, Saunders there from the WHO in Geneva. Thank you very much for your time.